It's very stable. The only problems we've really ran into in anything with that is kind of when we've customized it ourselves and caused our own problems. We have a server running 60, 70 websites at a time with maybe 20 different installs of Kentico with no problems.
Kentico is very stable. It has actually helped us reduce client inquiries or support calls internally, we've never had any issues with it.
We haven't had any problems at all with Kentico in its reliability or stability. In fact, we haven't ever even contacted the help support line because we've never had a problem with the product at all.
We've been operating Kentico CMS for some years now. They are running on several HP servers in the best data center that we have in Austria, Interaction, which is a European brand. And over the years there was not a single problem. It's rock solid and stable. It just keeps running and running and running.
It's very stable. In fact, we've been using it for over 5 years and never had a problem that I could directly attribute to anything that had of instability in the platform at all. We've caused our own instabilities by writing poor code, but the platform itself has been incredibly stable, and more importantly, even though they've gone through 3 or 4 different versions since we started using the platform, their upgrades are always bug-free or virtually bug-free. I think that's really important because in using some other platforms, one of the things that we've noticed is that they would create upgrades, but those upgrades would always be very, very buggy, and so we didn't ever feel comfortable deploying them for our clients. And that's absolutely not the case with Kentico. If Kentico releases an upgrade, I feel 100% confident upgrading whatever installations that we have to the latest version in order to get the features that we need. So from that standpoint, they've also been very stable.
Regarding stability, we never had any issue. We know that Kentico is making a lot of internal tests, and that's what we feel too. We never had issues. Of course, we had own mistakes that we programmed, but we never had a Kentico issue that was related to stability.
So we've used it in about 30 projects, I would say that stability is actually quite good. We really have not run into any serious issues in terms of memory leaks or other types of stability related things, even under high load. And so for us, generally our primary concern is security. And so when we think stability, we think more security because we do high volume websites, we do lots of transactional websites that include lots of consumer data. And for us, having a stable platform that both on the development cycle is very stable, in the actual application execution is very stable, and in the security level it's very stable. And it's frankly the best we've seen in the .NET space.